What's up guys, Ad the Boss Gamer here and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another shout out. So this shout out goes to Imager Man. Subscribe, hit the notification bell with your emerald fist. And I made something super humiliating last time. The Pokeball. I'm really bad at doing them. But here's the super build. I also worked out how to breed them in seeds. I'm a dummy. And I breeded a lot of them. Oh, more eggs. Yay. See, I have 12 eggs now. That's gonna bring good, yeah. No. Right, another egg. Yay! So soon all of these will be ready to breed. Oh no. Also, I'm saying hi to Freddy's house. Ayo. I don't know why this is a. It's alright. I mean, I can't believe what we've actually built. I mean, that was our first ever build. I mean, just like a normal castle, and then you can see we built this. And there's something else over there. So yeah, subscribe and let's get straight into it. So, we're doing a Pikachu! So, this is going to take a while. I'm going to have to do it like 2D. But that's all I need. Boom, boom, boom. This isn't going to be the best thing in the world because again, I'm not very good at doing Pokemon. I know that Pikachu's a little bit short. So, I'm doing a little bit short. So this will be 2D Pikachu. So, that's Pikachu's legs. And I'll do his tail. Block of coal, block of coal, and block of coal. Why do I have 2 blocks of coal? I put them together, they make 64. Okay. Okay, so if I go like this, boom, 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 boom. Pikachu. Okay, so that's his thing. And then I'll go up and up. And I'll go boom, boom. Now I want to do the arms a bit shorter. How am I gonna do this? Yeah. So I see how it is. just make it like thicker so it looks more realistic. I'll do it on this side as well. Oh, okay. Okay, so now I need to go down. Pikachu now has arms, I think. This will work, yep. I think it will definitely work. So this is Pikachu's back. There we go. Now I just need to fill this bit in. So there's the arms. Somebody's at the door. I wonder who that could be. If it's my cousin, he's gonna join in on the action. Which is good. Wizard and Blizzard. I'm not doing a neck. Well, I'm doing a neck. Well, not really. So guys, if you like Bendy and the Ink Machine, it's a really fun game. Just to let you know, Chapter 4 is coming out on Sunday, I do believe, this Sunday. So be hyped for that. No, that's way too weird. I can't do that. And I'm going to do a mount. Okay, so bam, bam. That just looks great. Yeah, it looks a bit better. I'm just gonna do a bit like this. Pikachu. Okie dokie, let me just do. He has little like little things on his head, doesn't he? Little electrify gears or something. Let me just put them on. No, that looks way too bad. Looking better here. Okay, so yeah, that's basically my Pikachu. So here's my Pikachu is there, and I'm gonna throw some more eggies in this little thing. It's at least making a form. Boom, boom. There, I'm making a form. Wait, can I breed anymore? Ooh, more eggs. Look at all these eggs. Too many eggs. Give me more eggs. Oh, okay, that's enough eggs. Boom. Okie dokie. I feel like I just need to go bring this down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's better. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Come on, let's get to 100 subscribers. We can do it. At 50, I'll give that much. So, yep. See you in the next one. Bye.